Welcome to Balboa Village in Balboa Peninsula Park. It is November 2022 on a Thursday afternoon. Good morning, everybody. It's Robert Erod, Beach Gypsy on YouTube. I'm here in the beautiful Balboa Island in Newport Beach, California. And it's a gorgeous day. And we're taking a walk here at the Verado at Edgewater Street. And we're just taking a peek at the bay here. There's tons of yachts. It's really gorgeous. The ship is coming in right now. It is fabulous outside today, people. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's unbelievable weather. Nobody would believe it is November 17th, Thursday at 11 a.m. here in Balboa Island. Alrighty, so we're going to start our tour off here at Edgewater, and then we're going to continue on to Balboa Village. Look at this gorgeous yacht. People having a great day. We've got outdoor seating and beautiful weather today here. I'm back here in Balboa Park today, and I'm happy to be here. I really had so much fun here the other day. Now I have all kinds of interesting stories to share with you today. What I'm finding that I love about my channel is that Laguna Beach and Newport and Balboa Island are just truly beautiful cities, and if you can't be here, at least you can walk along with me on my video journey and see what some of you may be able to see in your lifetime, some of you may never be able to see in your lifetime. So it's my pleasure to bring you my artistry and my point of view and my efforts to let people see what I'm finally getting the opportunity to see for the first time in my life. And it is truly beautiful out here. It's 72 degrees in Newport Beach. That's warm for November 17th here in California. But it feels fabulous. The wind is nice and chill. I'm in shorts, flip-flops. It's a great day to be out. Now I just parked my vehicle right on Balboa Street here in Balboa Island. If you stick around, I'm going to end up back go across Balboa to the boardwalk in Balboa Island. We're at East Bay Avenue and Montana Avenue. So we'll walk around the boardwalk, and which just sits beside the Balboa Pier and Ruby's famous diner restaurant at the end of the pier is located at the end. And maybe I'll get a shake today. Now, in my last video, I read off the menu about all the shakes and things at Ruby's diner. But I'll definitely order a shake and sit down and relax. Now, from the menu that I noticed that I read the other day, there's actually a flavor called 50-50. I believe that's orange sickle. So I was rewatching my video and I think I'm gonna get a 50-50. Alrighty, so we just got to the West Bay Avenue and Island Avenue, and we're gonna walk just a block over to Balboa Boulevard. Oh, it's gorgeous out. The trees are lush. There's birds cuckooing. He must be camera shy. The minute I put the camera on him, he stopped cuckooing. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he is. All right, he's going. He's happy. All right, looks like we've got a little corner restaurant market, something here on the right. Now, my aim of my videos, I've done a lot of quiet walking tours, but what I'm liking about my videos, it sounds like I'm the voice of authority, a little bit like Ryan Seacrest at the beach. And I think maybe a lot of people might like that, because I'm talking to business owners, I'm talking to artists, I'm talking to musicians. So we're standing on the sidewalk right in front of Balboa Branch Newport Beach Public Library on Balboa Avenue at 101 Balboa Avenue. We've got a little coffee house here on the corner here. It's called My Galley Coffee Goods and Eats. I'll take a quick peek, see what's on the menu. I just had a cup of coffee from Starbucks, so won't be ordering another cup of coffee, but we're gonna have to do some tours of some coffee houses on these videos. Hey, I've never been here before. I just saw you, and I just thought I'd take a peek. I already had coffee, but I'll have to stop here and get one next time. I'm doing my tour of the beach, so.
Nice.
Oh, it's really nice. It's like the neighborhood coffee. What's the name of it? My Galley. My Galley. Okay, great.
We've been around for like 25 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love this area, and
It's gorgeous.
the weather's phenomenal right now.
I know, it's beautiful today.
Yeah, nobody would believe. And you know, it's 72 degrees right now.
Yeah.
All right. Well, maybe I'll come back and have a chicken salad sandwich or something after my tour.
Yeah,
Okay. Talk to you then. Bye. All right, we are just leaving My Galley, and as you can see, she was very friendly. Now, I'm not ordering any coffee right now, but now coming up and down Balboa Boulevard, I've noticed this Italian deli market where people sit outside, and this one guy's leaving on his bike cruiser right now, but this looks like a really friendly little neighborhood market, and you can sit right outside. Oh, it's like a little mini Sprouts. They got fruits and vegetables. They've got a menu here as well, where they serve up fresh sandwiches, cold sandwiches, hot sandwiches, Philly cheesesteak, chicken parmesan, lunch specials. And they have a little market in here if you need ranch dressing or tuna or bags of ice and small portions of ice cream. Baskin Robbins, Ben and Jerry's. coffee, tea, and to mention tourist flip-flops and some hats if you want to pick up a baseball cap. Oh, there's a nice one. California with the bear on it. I wouldn't mind getting that. Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah, I like it. All right, we got the Golden Bear California hat on right now. I might buy this.
Yeah?
Yeah, why not? Oh, not bad, not bad. Okay, so we're gonna buy a cap for this video here that I'm doing. We've got Orange County.
Yeah, you can look through them.
Oh yeah, it's just that one's caught my eye.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, we're standing in front of Lombardi's Italian Market, Italian Deli. They have everything in there you need. It's a general market, but it's just off of Balboa Boulevard. And we're going to continue the tour on Balboa Boulevard to the boardwalk. Lombardi's Market Italian Deli. They rent bikes for $20 an hour. To the left, it'll take you to the Ruby's Pier. And Balboa Fun Zone Park and Amusement Center at Peninsula Park. Alrighty, I'm going to take my flip-flops off and walk barefoot because my friend said that my flip-flops were a little too loud, so we're just going to do the barefoot thing and walk so you don't hear all my flip-flopping. This is my cap. I gotta bag for it. There we go. We're walking barefoot on the boardwalk. Thanks, Jeff, for the advice. Feels great. This is probably one of the most beautiful boardwalks. Clean. The houses are pristine. They're just nested off of the sidewalk here where people are jogging, riding their bikes. I've noticed people bringing their skateboards down here. I just recently purchased a longboard skateboard, so I'm gonna have to come out here and do a video or just come out here and enjoy myself on my skateboard. It's hot today in Balboa Island, 72 degrees. Sunny and bright. I don't feel any breeze right now. Thanks for joining Beach Gypsy on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, comment. Now I'm back in Balboa Island. I'm getting addicted to coming here because it's turning out to be one of my favorite video spots to film. I'm getting the most hits with this area. And I think it's because people come here to have fun. It's a destination to relax and enjoy, not just for local residents, but of course for tourists. And it's just beautiful here. I think a lot of people really, the goal of life is just to see beautiful things. My philosophy teacher once taught us in philosophy is like, if you want beautiful things in life, surround yourself with beauty. So it doesn't get any more beautiful than this. Sand's nice and warm. And people want to see beauty, they not only are interested in travel, but the nice thing about YouTube is you can research the area before you move here or see where your destination is going to be and what it's like. Now, the beauty of life is you kind of want to do your research, but just see it for the first time in your life and experience it. Alrighty, we're just approaching Adams Street and we're just getting close to where the bike path ends. So I'm going to put my flip-flops back on. It's probably going to be a quiet day here. It's Thursday afternoon, but what I've noticed about Balboa Beach or anywhere, the weekends are really busy. I had a great time here last time. I filmed at the Balboa Pier. quiet out today and peaceful. Beautiful day for a walk. Now I'm not going to do an hour video with this one because it's quiet. I may come back on the weekends. But for now, I'll just walk up to the past Palm Street, up to Main Street, go up to the pier, to the end of the pier, get a shake. And I like the pier because that's where the musicians perform and sing. And do covers of different songs. This is Washington Street. And the next street is Main Street, which houses Cabo Cantina, Mexican restaurant. We got a little bridge here. They have a menu on the door here. Pasta and pizza. Margarita pizza, $18. I love margarita pizza. We've got these little seaside bicycle, scooter, and rentals if you want to get the family together. And that's the nice thing about Balboa Park, is it's very friendly, family friendly, tourist friendly, and it's historic. Just to the left of us we have the boathouse, and it's just 1905, established in 1905. So it's gorgeous outside today. And if we talk to somebody today, we will. Here's the Cabo Cantina, everybody, before we get hit by this truck. I almost got run over by this truck filming. Cabo Cantina, everyone.
Sir, with the camera, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, what's right?
I'm looking between that one and a GoPro. Do you like that?
I like this one because it's got the gimbal that spins around, and I got it, well, I'll just trim this out. I got it used, and it's cheap.
Yeah?
But yeah.
Because I like the gimbal for that, but the protection of the GoPro.
It depends on how you want to film. Like the GoPro, you can like put in your dash cam. You can.
I'm doing a
podcast. You can use it or this is good for outdoors.
Yeah.
But you know, it's sensitive with the gimbal. I got it used. It works great. You spin the gimbal around. If you're a vlogger and you want to talk and walk, you can do both. I like the GoPro just because it's durable.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah,
about.
It's durable, and you can do active stuff with it. You can ride your bike and you can go in the ocean. So.
But you found out how much did you pay for it? If you don't mind me asking?
Shut this off real quick. I don't matter. I'll just edit it. I paid like $350 used.
And that's like the good one.
$500. Yeah, it's the Pocket 2. But the guy had all the accessories. He used it for about a year, but
all the accessories, yeah.
Yeah, it had everything with the wide-angle lens. But that damn wide-angle lens falls off.
I saw reviews in it. I don't want the small stuff either. That kind of sucks.
Yeah, I'm just using what's nice about it's got the Pocket 2 comes with the all-in-one handle.
Okay.
But the microphone on this thing's fantastic, and I wouldn't spend extra for like a Tascam and all this stuff. But this comes with a wireless thing for your
enough?
Yeah, for so.
I'm just making sure nobody's watching.
Oh yeah, so you if you just want to sit home too, you can put it on the tripod.
Okay.
But it all works with the 120 SD card microchip, so you can get tons of video on this thing. Tons. But I want to get the GoPro just because, when I do my biking or my surfing, that'd be perfect.
All right,
Later,
thanks,
man.
man.
Take care. You too. Alrighty, we're just in front of Cabo Mexican Cantina at Balboa Park. And we're proceeding to the Balboa Pier. Ruby's Diner is housed at the very end of Ruby's Pier. It's Peninsula Park, everyone. on a Thursday afternoon. November 17th, Thursday at 11:17 a.m. Some people fishing. We've got some maintenance crew out here taking care of the sand, people. I've never seen that yet. That's good to know, because I had somebody comment on my video saying that the beaches were not maintained and people walk their dogs and they don't clean up after themselves. So this is beautiful for the fact that they're doing a good job here. They just recycled all this sand here and turned it over, and they're working over there on the sand. This could be a whole video in itself, just watching the cat maneuver its sand around. People would want to watch it too. Machinery and men at work. Kids love to watch that stuff. They could just watch it for hours. We got the Newport Beach Fire and Rescue headed to the lifeguard tower. And we got a pretty quiet pier today, folks. But the ocean, a little still today. No major waves. No musicians. We got the whole crew out here fishing today, everyone, and they're having a good time. They're just talking mostly. They're having lunch. Now we got a beautiful white seagull sitting here. We're approaching Ruby's Diner, proudly serving Coca-Cola, hamburgers, french fries, and not to mention hot dogs. None of that which I eat. But I'm gonna treat myself to a shake. Now, with Ruby's at the pier, you can either use the self-serve window or you can go inside. So oh, the water is pristine, gorgeous out here. Here's some rock music in the background. Now, if you haven't seen my other video, I do a nighttime and daytime, nighttime, dusk till dawn video of Balboa Pier and Ruby's. And it's my most successful video. It gets about 350 hits. Now, I'm a small YouTuber. I've only been doing this for a month and a half. I've only been living in Newport for the last 5 to 8 months. But, you know, I have a feeling I'm going to gain some traction with these videos. So we've got deluxe shakes and malts for $6.99, and they have Hershey's chocolate, double vanilla, strawberry, peanut butter, coffee, mocha, double dark chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate turtle, chocolate banana, chocolate cream dream, Oreo cookie fantasy, peanut butter cup, butterfinger, salted caramel, and orange 50/50. So I'm gonna go with the orange 50/50 today, and I'm gonna go inside and relax for just a second. We got people outdoors dining, people fishing at the end of the pier, and we've got our faithful Ruby's old-timer waiting tables. Good afternoon. I'd like to order a 50/50 orange shake, please. Thank you. How are you?
You're good. Anywhere is fine. Have a seat, okay?
Okay. It's 11:42 p.m. We're at Ruby's Diner at the pier in Balboa Beach. I just put 25 cents in this, and I think I jammed the machine. Oh well. I just broke the bubblegum machine. Oops. Put a quarter in. We've got grilled chicken breast salad and grilled chicken sandwiches with bacon and burgers and onions and fries. Hey, awesome. I put a quarter in that thing and it got jammed.
I'll get you one more. Sorry about that, idea. Sometimes it works, sometimes you really gotta crank it. Let me see if I'm able to get it.
Yeah, I just didn't want to break your machine. I'm not really too worried about a quarter, but just letting you know.
Well, I can break it. At least.
Oh yeah?
Probably not. It probably won't break, I bet.
Cool.
Sometimes it gets stuck.
Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, that was just awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, you have it.
Looking at that chicken sandwich there, that was pretty good.
Yeah, which one?
Bacon, with the bacon.
Looks like this is going to be like a Ruby Club, and they did it with chicken instead of turkey. Because normally it comes with turkey, like deli turkey. This one looks like they got it with chicken instead, which is honestly what I do too.
That one has bacon, right?
It does have bacon on it, yeah.
Perfect.
One of them they ordered it with no bacon, but it comes with bacon on it only.
Cool. Now that I'm here, I might as well just have lunch.
Yeah, honestly,
I've just been walking all over the place.
Ain't a bad place to do it either. How's it going, folks? Good? Anywhere's okay. What they also did, which is a very good idea, is so normally it comes on this roll right here, like a ruby roll. This one is with the sourdough parmesan bread, which I think is a lot better. I do the same thing. So I get it just the same way, sourdough parm bread with chicken instead of turkey.
Cool.
If you're asking me.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Sounds good to me.
Yeah, so the closest one that's going to be here, we don't actually have one in the restaurant, but yeah, end of the pier. Sorry about that. You're welcome.
It's good. Thanks. It's great. 50-50 orange cream with cherry on top. I'm gonna order lunch here. Talk to you in a second. Look at this baby. Oh my god. We've got a seagull stealing French fries. The seagull is stealing French fries. Well, we just ordered the chicken with chicken parm, toasted bread, and French fries. It was really good. Right. All right, everybody, we just finished lunch at Ruby's Diner at the pier in Balboa Park. I just had a chicken sandwich, and they served it with French fries. I don't normally eat French fries, but if you're gonna go to Ruby's Diner, you gotta try the French fries. They were pretty good. I would say they were like McDonald's quality, which is pretty good in my book. A little salty, lightly fried. Anyways, I feel charged up. I just ate at Ruby's at the pier. I sound a little like Oprah. Ruby's. I just ate at Ruby's at the pier. Okay, so the water's gorgeous right now, as I stated earlier. As you can see, the water is flawless and blue. They've got the machinery cat crews out rehauling the sand, making it fresh for the weekend. The crowds will be packed this weekend. It's 72 degrees now on a Thursday. We got seagulls, we got birds, the water, the waves are tame right now. But I'll say Ruby's Diner serves some very good chicken sandwiches, and if you like hamburgers, fries, hot dogs, and shakes, that's the place to go. Typically I wouldn't go to Ruby's, but since they're at the pier, I'm impressed that they have this kind of location. Back to the tour. We are walking back to Balboa Street on the pier, and we'll do a little pass through of the fun zone at the historic 1905 boathouse located just up ahead in the distance. So now, last tour, if you check out my video out, there was a incredible street musician, singer, doing her little singing with a PA box, and she was fantastic. I mean, she was like a young Billie Eilish singing on the beach. She was incredible. She sounded a lot more mature for her years. She was good. She just needs. Oh, here's the woman that was in purple the other day on my other video. So. How's?
Egret.
What's that?
Snowy egret.
Is that what the bird's name is?
No, that's what he is.
That's what it is. A snowy egret.
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 E-G-R-E-T.
And that's the
Egret.
that's the bird.
the person.
He's just calm. He's been sitting there for a while.
Oh yeah, he's waiting for life.
I saw you fishing the other day, and you said it wasn't going too well. Is it going better today?
No, well, I did get a halibut, but not a keeper.
Oh, okay,
So,
great.
no.
Yeah, well, you're consistent with your fishing. Very good, very good. Have a good day.
You too.
I walk up and down here and
I saw you. I remember.
film,
I
and
remember.
yeah, so
Yeah.
it's good to talk to people. Very nice here. Very, very
It
nice.
is most of the time.
Yeah, most of the time. Yeah, and it has its moments, I'm sure. Like right
Oh,
now,
it's summertime. Yeah.
yeah, in the summer it can probably get a little rowdy.
Oh, very good, Joe.
All right, have a good day.
You
Bye.
too.
Well, folks, she remembered me, but she wasn't supposed to be filmed, so. Now, that's one thing. You got to be careful who you're filming, because I had some transients try to, like, get rowdy with me that I was even in their area with pointing the camera, so. I make a habit of not moving away from people and not pointing the camera in people's faces. But, you know, you never know what's going to happen. So I try to be careful and look at the flock of seagulls or birds. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Balboa Pier in Balboa Park, and we just left Ruby's at the pier at the end and had a little lunch and a 50-50 orange sickle shake. Now, as far as prices go, you're gonna pay high end to eat at the beach, so incredible vegetation off to the side of the pier as you approach the land again. And I'll say this much, I mean, I think I'm happiest when I'm outdoors and I'm, you know, breathing fresh air and in forward motion and moving and breathing. I went to the mall the other day and did a video of the fashion mall, and it was kind of cold that day, but the only reason I went to the fashion mall is because some of my richer friends said that it was like a fabulous place to go, but it really wasn't my cup of tea. And I stressed at the end of the video, if you do are tourists and you do come to Newport Beach and Costa Mesa, there are places you can go. You know, I wouldn't say the fashion mall is exactly a tourist destination anyways, but my gripe about malls in general is that they're a little passé, and fashion malls are just a little too high priced for my end. But my friend in Palm Springs said, you know, at least it's somewhere you can go and dress up, and that the only reason they kicked me out was probably because I was dressed really bad. But, you know, I was looking at some men's clothing at the fashion mall. And if you're watching this video right now of my Balboa Pier, if I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll buy that $600 suit and walk on the Balboa Pier in my suit. If I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll do it. I'll make a video out of it. So, we just talked to this kid at the Cabo Cantina. Now, I have an idea for my videos. This to carry like $100 in $5 bills and eventually just give money to people on the street for subscribers and views. Now, you know, I don't want to like exploit people, but I just saw some great videos. Now that I'm on YouTube, they're kind of redirecting me to videos that people film, and there's this trend going around on videos where pay it forward, kindness of strangers, people helping people and being rewarded for it like tenfold almost. So I wouldn't mind doing that if people you know, help me out, and strangers come to my aid in this city, I wouldn't mind rewarding them for a little bit. Now, hi, just checking it out. Now, I was in here before, and I was gonna have lunch here the other day, but it's right on the corner, kitty cross from the Balboa Pharmacy. Now, I think that's a really great idea because I'm an artist, I'm a creator, and I'm a social person, and you know, I want some content, but I'm having a good time out here, and eventually if I start to make any money on YouTube, I would like to pay it forward and give it back to some of the people that could use $5 or $10 or $100 on the street. I mean, it's a worthy cause. I mean, times are tough, and just the money aspects aside, you know, just the positive energy of helping people could, you know, in these times right now where it's really tough, could really just make people feel good in general. So I think I might try that, and it'll keep me going. I mean, the reward of this video journey is just, not only is it helpful for me and therapeutic for me, but I look forward to doing this now, and I look forward to the people aspect of it, and meeting nice people. Now, we are at the Balboa Pavilion, established 1905. I just showed you this mural the other day, but this pavilion was built in 1905, and this building has prominent features of Balboa Village. Henry Huntington's red car trolleys ran regular schedules between here and points north to Los Angeles. Today, the pavilion architecture draws new visitors who can reflect on past glories, who enjoy traditional waterfront recreational activities at this popular historical destination. And there it is, the Balboa Pavilion. Now, we took a peek inside there, but you can actually dine with views of the yachts on the harbor side. It's called the Restaurant and Grand Ballroom, originally called Catalina Passenger Service. This entire street is sectioned off for tourists, and I think there's some traffic through here one way, but it's not getting a lot of traffic. They do a good job of keeping people safe in here, because people in Newport and Costa Mesa tend to drive crazy, so especially if you're on the main strip. So now, Harborside Restaurant lunch hours are 11:30 to 3:30 daily. They have some incredible historical photographs of the yachts and this location back in the 1900s. People at the beach, the drugstore on the corner, and the Balboa Beach House. Incredible. That's one thing about history, is I love historical photographs showing how things looked back in the day before things were built. Look at Balboa Island, how empty it was. No houses, no sidewalks, no vegetation, no anything. So oh, it's friendly. People are seeing me with my camera there. And then to the left here, to the right here, we have the Balboa Fun Zone. We'll do a quick walk through. There's not a lot of people here today. It's Thursday. The weekends tend to get really busy. They have assortment of children's rides, small carnival rides, a carnival swing, and some ferry rides, bike rentals, a arcade next to the fun zone, shaved Italian ice cream, snow cones, cotton candy, clothing and fun things like socks, crazy socks. If you want to have Homer Simpson on your socks, or all that fashion. The Balboa Fun Zone, everyone. Welcome to Balboa Fun Zone in Balboa Park. It's quiet today, but oh, I had to make sure it wasn't actually somebody.
You're good.
Gotta watch your back here. It's
Yeah,
gonna be.
that's why I have your back.
It'll be busy over the weekend, of course. Yeah.
definitely.
With this weather, yeah. There's the longest carousel ride in Balboa, if not the world. Oh my hand, oh my hand. We got some bangles. Beat it. Do you understand? Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming, or is this truly a eternal flame? Say my name. Am I only dreaming? Is this an eternal flame? Say my name, say the name. Anyways, I met Marlo Thomas in New York City back in 1992, and I used to watch that girl all the time when I was a little kid, and I wanted to grow up and be like her. I just love it when she's just outdoors having fun and spinning around, you know, having time of her life, and kind of that Doris Day moment where they take their hat off and they throw it in the air. But we're not going to do that because that's probably your best friend. So, anyways, that's the Balboa Fun Zone. We're going to wrap up this tour now and head back. And I hope you enjoyed the tour. Check out more of my videos. I'm doing walking tours, talking tours, comedy tours, panhandling tours, begging for money tours. I'll put my little PayPal Venmo link in my description. If you want to send me money, I'll just pay it forward, give it to some homeless people, and make some big videos where we hand out $100 bills or something. So, all right, take care, peace. Happy November 2022. Back to the pier and the boats. Am I only dreaming, or is this journey an eternal flame? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Beach Gypsy on YouTube.